Have you ever met Virat Kohli in person?
I did.
Okay. And did you? I'm assuming you asked him a lot of questions about cricket.
About cricket, 100%. So, Smriti and I had the opportunity to talk to him. We'd asked him, we want to speak to you, sir, about batting. No, sir, nahi Virat Bhaiya, about batting. Can we meet? So, we were in the same hotel in New Zealand. So, he's like, yeah, sure, come. So, he called us at the cafe. Anushka Sharma was also there. So, they both were there and we spoke half an hour about batting. And we ended up talking. So, we asked him just for a few minutes. We ended up speaking for like 4 hours over there. And half an hour was about cricket. And after that was just normal things. Like just normal, like how, like friends meet and they talk after ages. It was fully like that. So he was telling us about like how, we also crave for, Anushka and I crave for a normal life sometimes. Sometimes we'll just go for a walk and just see the moon. And just sit under a tree. That's it. Means everyone think that we are these stars, but we enjoy the simple things a lot more than all these fancy and all these things. So a lot of things are spoken. He helped us spoke a lot about batting too. So yeah, I think I'm privileged like that. I get to meet such people, and at the right time I've met them, and they've actually inspired me and helped me at that phase I was in.
What was the piece of advice that stayed with you?
So again, I asked him the same question
Limelight?
not Limelight. How do you how do you handle expectations? Because now I told him, like, you are Virat Kohli. Your score of 50 is like you've underperformed for people. So how do you like handle that expectation, that thing? He says, for me, every time I'm out there on the field, I just look at the scoreboard and just focus on that. Like, I just focus on that and not about the crowd or anything. Like, I just zero in my focus and what I can do to help India win. So I think he said what he meant to say was, like, if I stop giving these expectations and all that much importance and focus, just look at what I need to do, the process, the results will automatically follow. And one thing he told us is that, you guys have, Smriti and I, he told, you guys have the power to, set a trend for women's cricket in the right way.
We all agree with that. But you go on.
Like whether it's your fitness or your cricket. So he said that you have a greater responsibility than what you guys think you all have. So make sure you take this responsibility seriously and set it right for us.
And it doesn't seem like that's making you all nervous, huh? Like you'll
No,
have a
in
lot of
fact,
confidence.
yeah, we got more motivated after you said that. Literally, we got very motivated to, go out there and work harder and focus on our fitness and our diet and everything like that. So, yeah.
I think around the time you will be retiring, which is way later, things are going to be like insanely different. And you're going to look back at this phase thinking that, oh yeah, those were the normal days.
Oh, this is what I spoke to Ranveer on the show.
You're manifesting it. You're manifesting that
Power of
reality.
visualization.
What is Virat Kohli's energy in person? Like, how, like if you had to describe my energy, you say, oh, he's chill, whatever, can talk, friendly. So what would be Virat Kohli's energy?
I think he is someone, you see him on the field, he's very aggressive, very this, but when you see him as a normal person, he's just like one of us, he's chill, he'll have fun. But whenever he speaks, you can see the passion in his eyes for the game. That passion he has for the game. And I think that's what drives him each and every. He's always hungry, like to do better, to get, to score more runs or things like that. So I think that's one thing about his vibe that you get. And he doesn't have to speak about cricket. But when he just talks and suddenly cricket comes out, you can just see that drive he has, that passion he has to share with us some stuff. So I think, yeah, that would be him. He's very chill like that, but he's very passionate about his game.
Would you like me to tell you about you in terms of what is in your eyes?
Definitely.
Because as
free mein tarif mil raha, to obviously no.
Maybe I'll say something bad.
You won't say bad, I know. You're on the show, man.
I definitely see the same passion in your eyes. I have not seen Virat Kohli in person, but all of us feel the same way when we see him on TV, that there's a lot of passion, even in his body language. But with you, because you're in front of me, like I see like heaps of professionalism like in you. Like every time I'm switching into cricket, your whole dynamic is changing energy-wise. Like you're almost like that's your God, and that's a great vibe to have, and that's why you've come this far. That's why God gifts you the gift of flow. Yeah. So am I right in saying that? There is a very strong sense of seriousness, which is great.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, I don't know how to react to such compliments.
But it's okay.
So I'm like, just be good. You're on camera, Jemmy. Just say thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Jemmy.
Baba Ranveer.
I sending you good energy.